Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps closing on the application of Telegram. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above here, you will search about Telegram app as you see and you will click. Then in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Telegram. Then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like